Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create amazing PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT and some cool AI design tools. Whether you're a student working on a project or prepping for a class presentation, these tips will make your life way easier. First up, let's talk about content. Open ChatGPT and start by asking it to help you outline your presentation. For example, you can type, "Hey ChatGPT, I need an outline for a presentation on the Industrial Revolution." Within seconds, you'll get a structured outline that you can further refine. Next, dive into the details. You can ask ChatGPT to expand on each section of your outline. For instance, can you give me more information on the key events of the Industrial Revolution? ChatGPT will generate detailed content that you can use as your presentation notes or slide text. Now, let's make it look good. Just having great content isn't enough. You need your slides to be visually appealing. Enter AI design tools like Canva and Beautiful.ai. First, let's use Canva. Canva is user-friendly and offers tons of templates. Just copy the text from ChatGPT and paste it into the pre-designed slides. You can easily customize the fonts, colors, and even add images or icons to make your slides pop. If you want something even more automated, try Beautiful.ai. This tool designs your slides for you. Simply input your content, and it generates beautifully designed slides that adapt as you edit them. It's perfect for those who may not have a design background, but still want professional-looking presentations. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've got a well-researched, beautifully designed PowerPoint presentation ready to impress. So go ahead, give ChatGPT and these AI tools a try, and take your presentations to the next level. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.